West Bank Center. I think these are Fuji. Oh, that's a Fuji bell I heard. Check this out.
Oh, if she won't, she doesn't have, she does, I
Oh,
don't think she
44.
sends it out, and then she doesn't
Yeah.
update.
Yeah, so I don't know if he.
Cause she knew about me in October for a long time.
Okay. Is she shooting a movie?
I'm actually interested in elevators.
Oh, seriously?
Oh.
Yeah.
What's the interest?
I
Just how they work, or?
yeah, I'm just into them.
That's cool.
Yeah, I'm from Chicago, so we got some decent elevators there.
This is your floor?
Oh, right, sorry. Have a good one. Check out that call station. See if I can get up to 44. Lantern's still on. I love how the lanterns and the call buttons are literally the exact same. What the hell? I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's got the old system where the lantern stays lit. So you know what car it is, and then it fucking. Hold on. What buttons are these? These press like monitor. These are freaking nice. I gotta get a cab view when I have the chance. Yeah, let's do it right here. Oh, heading up.
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem. Oh, there we go. Have a good day.
You too.
It's a really weird way for the buttons to be laid out. That's just weird. Oh, what the hell? Oh, wow. Alright. Look at that cab, that's nice. Alright, hopefully we can get a full ride. And, wow, okay. One floor. Head down?
Going down. What are you doing?
Just taking a video into elevators.
Okay, I'm fond of that.
Alright. Yeah, she was a bit of an ass. Well, these are pretty speedy. Maybe like 1,000 feet per minute, I'd say. Why does it just stop and say 13? Like, there's no 13 on the COP. Is there some significance of this 13th floor I'm missing? Oh, damn. That's it.